Welcome back, everybody. So if you watched the video 9 Hard Programming Truths, and maybe you're still on the fence about whether programming is for you, or you're already knee-deep into bugs, wondering, what have I gotten myself into? Well, good news, or maybe bad news, there are 9 more hard truths you need to know if you want to crush it in the coding world. So let's dive in. Number 1, you'll never learn everything. There's always a new language, framework, or library right around the corner. And guess what? That's okay! Your job is to stay curious, keep learning, and focus on the tools you need for the job at hand. Don't try to know it all, just try to know what matters. Number 2, debugging is where the real learning happens. Writing code is easy. Getting it to work? That may be a problem. The hours you spend tracking down bugs will teach you more than any tutorial ever could. So grab your debugger, or just a good set of eyes, and get comfy and prepare for battle. Number 3, you'll throw away a lot of code. You are going to throw away a lot of your code. That beautiful function you just spent hours perfecting, yeah, it will probably get rewritten, refactored, or you might not even need it at all. It's part of the process. Don't fall in love with your code, fall in love with solving the problems. Number 4, imposter syndrome. It's real, it's scary, and it doesn't go away, no matter how experienced you are. Even senior developers have moments of self-doubt. The key, don't let it stop you. Remember, if you're learning and improving, you are not a fraud, you are a programmer. Number 5, write documentation. No, really write it. Clear, concise documentation is a lifesaver for you and anyone else who touches your code. Future you and future coworkers will thank you when you come back to your projects in 6 months and actually understand what's going on. Number 6, here's a shocker. Programming jobs aren't just about coding. You'll spend time in meetings, planning features, and collaborating with others. Communication skills are just as important as technical skills, so don't neglect them. 7, prepare yourself. You're going to read some terrible code. Whether it's poorly written legacy code or a junior developer's first attempt, navigating messy code bases is a skill in of itself. Be patient and learn to find the diamonds in the rough. Number 8, not all code needs to be perfect. Sometimes good enough really is good enough. If it solves a problem and meets the requirements and is more or less safe and performs relatively decently, it's fine. Save perfectionism for the things that truly matter, like making sure customers' passwords won't go out into the dark web. Number 9, your career path probably won't be linear. Maybe you start as a front-end dev and move into DevOps. Maybe you pivot into data science or even management. Programming opens doors to so many opportunities, so don't be afraid to explore them. And there you have it, 9 more hard programming truths to keep you grounded and ready for the challenges ahead. Programming isn't for the faint of heart, but if you stick with it, it's one of the most rewarding careers out there. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe, and drop a comment with your own programming truths. Until next time, happy coding. Times are tough, with rising costs for food, gas, housing, you name it. It's harder than ever to keep your money where it belongs, in your pocket. That stress, I get it. It's overwhelming. That's why I'm working on Trinity Capital, the ultimate app for learning financial literacy. It's super realistic, with a clean design and built-in lessons to help you master your money. And the best part, it works on any device with an internet connection. Right now, you can test it for free. Join the Discord server, try it out, and help shape the app while it's still in development. The link's in the description, so check it out.